Hey learners, welcome to my channel guys. Pranshi Verma this side. In today's video, we are going to learn digital image processing multiple choice question and answer from unit 4. Okay, let's begin. First question is, which is meant by assuming any two neighboring that are both edges pixel with consistent orientation? Option A, canny edge detection. Option B, smoothing. Option C, segmentation. Option D, none of the mentioned. Right option is option A, canny edge detection. Okay, so canny edge detections meant by assuming any two neighboring that are both edges pixels with consistent orientation. Okay, I hope clear it. Next question. What is the process of breaking an image into groups? Option A, edge detection. Option B, smoothing. Option C, segmentation. Option D, none of the mentioned. Right answer is option C, segmentation. Okay. Next question. How many types of 3D image processing techniques are image perception? Option A, 3. Option B, 4. Option C, 5. Option D, 6. Right answer is option C, 5. So, 5 types of 3D image processing techniques are there in image perception. Next question. Points exceeding the threshold in output image are marked as option A, 0. Option B, 1. Option C, 11. Option D, X. Right answer is option B, 1. So, 1 point exceeding the threshold in output image are marked as 1. Okay. Next question. Example of discontinuity approach in image segmentation is option A, edge-based segmentation. Option B, boundary-based segmentation. Option C, region-based segmentation. Option D, both A and B. Right answer is option D, both A and B. Means edge-based segmentation and boundary-based segmentation. They both are example of discontinuity approach in image segmentation. Okay, next question. Image segmentation is based on option A, morphology, option B, set theory, option C, extraction, option D, recognition. Right answer is option A, image segmentation is based on morphology. Okay, next question. Image whose principal features are edges is called option A. Option A, orthogonal. Option B, isolated. Option C, edges mapping. Option D, edges normal. Right answer is option C, edges mapping. Edge mapping. Next question. If R is the entire region of the image, then union of all segmented parts. If R is the entire region of the image, then union of all segmented parts should be equal to option A, R, option B, R dash, option C, Rn, option D, Ri. Right answer is option A. If R is the entire region of the image, then union of all segmented parts should be equal to R. Okay. Next question. Laplacian image need option A, contraction, option B, expansion, option C, scaling, option D, enhancement. Right answer is option C, scaling. Next question. For point detection we use option A, first derivative, option B, second derivative, option C, third derivative, option D, both A and B. Right answer is option B, second derivative. Next question. Textured inner region of the object produces option A, good boundary extraction. Question 11. Textured inner region of the object produces option A, good boundary extraction. Option B, excellent boundary extraction. Option C, good boundary deletion. Option D, excellent boundary deletion. Right answer is option A, textured inner region of the object produces good boundary extraction. Next question. If the standard deviation of the pixel is positive, then sub-image is labeled as option A, black, option B, green, option C, white, option D, red. Right answer is option C, white. Next question. Thresholding gives the option A, large image, option B, grayscale image, option C, color image, option D, binary image. Right answer is option D, binary image. Next question. Segmentation is a process of option A, low label processes, Option B, high label processes. Option C, mid label processes. Option D, H label processes. Right answer is option C, mid label processes. Next question. Segmentation algorithms depends on intensity values. Option A, discontinuity. Option B, similarity. Option C, continuity. Option D, both A and B. Right answer is option D, both A and B. So segmentation algorithm depends on intensity value in discontinuity as well as similarity. Okay. Next question. Sudden change in intensity produces peak in option A, first derivative. Option B, second derivative. Option C, third derivative. Option D, both A and B. Right answer is option A, first derivative. Next question. Edge detector method is used to detect option A, area. Option B, line. Option C, point. Option D, edge. Right answer is option D, edge. Next question. Accuracy of image segmentation can be improved by the type of option A, processes. Option B, images. Option C, divisions. Option D, sensors. Right answer is option D, sensors. During segmentation, every pixel of an image should be in option A, connected set. Option B, boundaries. Option C, region. Option D, concerned area. Right answer is option C, region. During segmentation, every pixel of an image should be in region. Okay. Next question. For line detection, we use option A, first derivative. Option B, second derivative. Option C, third derivative. Option D, both A and B. So for line detection, we use second derivative. Option B is right option. Next question. When the desired object is detected, segmentation should be option A, paused. Option B, cleared. Option C, continued. Option D, stopped. Right answer is option D, stopped. Similarity approach of segmentation depends upon option A, low frequencies. Option B, smooth changes. Option C, abrupt changes. Option D, contrast. Right answer is option B, smooth changes. Next question. For edge detection, we combine gradient with option A, sharpening. Option B, set theory. Option C, smoothing. Option D, thresholding. Right answer is option D, thresholding. Okay. Next question. Lines are referred as option A, ramp edges. Option B, step edges. Option C, roof edges. Option D, both A and B. Right answer is option C, roof edges. Lines are referred as roof edges. Next question. Edges arise between thin objects and backgrounds are option A, ramp edges. Option B, step edges. Option C, roof edges. Option D, thinness of edges. Right answer is option C, roof edges. Next question. For edge detection, we observe option A, intensity transition. Option B, shape transition. Option C, color transition. Option D, sign transition. Right answer is option D, sign transition. Next question. Thresholding is the example of option A, discontinuity. Option B, similarity. Option C, continuity. Option D, recognition. Right answer is option B, similarity. Next question. Algorithm stating that boundaries of the image are different from background is option A, discontinuity. Option B, similarity. Option C, extraction. Option D, recognition. Right answer is option A, discontinuity. Next question. Edges detection has fundamental. Option A, 2 points. Option B, 3 points. Option C, 4 points. Option D, 5 points. Right answer is option B, 3 points. Next question. Canny edge detection algorithm is based on option A, ideal model. Option B, step edges. Option C, real model. Option D, smoothing model. Right answer is option B, step edge. Next question. Segmentation is usually not perfect due to number of factors such as option A, noise, bad illumination. Option B, object contains several regions. Option C, due to boundary filling. Option D, due to closed contour. Option A is right option, noise and bad illumination. Next question. What are the two approaches to segmentation? Option A. Hard-like features and 3D rectangle approach. Option B. Region-based segmentation and edge segmentation. Option C. AdaBoost approach and edge segmentation. Option D. None of the above. Right answer is option B. Region-based segmentation and edge segmentation. Next question. Which techniques applies edge segmentation? Option A. Heuristic operator. Option B. Canny operator. Option C. All of the above. Option D. None of the. Right answer is option C. All of the above. Next question. Criteria for region segmentation. Option A. Pixels may be assigned to the same region. Option B. Pixels may be assigned to the different region. Option C. All of the above. Option D. None of the above. Right answer is option A. Pixels may be assigned to the same region. Next question. Pixels are allocated to categories according to the range of values in which a pixel lies is called. Option A. Thresholding based segmentation. Option B. Edge based segmentation. Option C. Region based segmentation. Option D. None of the above. Right answer is option A. Thresholding based segmentation. Next question. Edge element is associated with two components. Option A. Magnitude of the gradient. Option B. Region of the gradient. Option C. All of the above. Option D. None of the above. Right answer is option A. Magnitude of the gradient. Next question. Threshold based segmentation is based on option A. Number of clusters. Option B. Clip label. Option C. Number of regions. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option B. Clip label. Next question. Which segmentation technique is based on clustering approaches? Option A. K-means algorithm. Option B. Threshold based algorithm. Option C. Histogram based algorithm. Option D. Edge detection based algorithm. Right answer is option A. K-means algorithm. Next question. A gradient operator for edge detection is option A. Roberts. Option B. Second order derivative. Option C. Zero crossing operators. Option D. None. Right answer is option A. Roberts. Next question. Image segmentation is the process of option A. Partitioning a digital image into multiple segments. Option B. Classify the image into number of objects. Option C. None of the above. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option A. Partitioning a digital image into multiple segments. Next question. Classical edge detectors use option A. Prewitt operators. Option B. Robert operator. Option C. Threshold operator. Option D. Gaussian operator. Right answer is option A. Prewitt operator. Next question. Sobel edge detection used. Option A. First derivative. Option B. Second derivative. Option C. All of the above. Option D. None of the above. Right answer is option A. First derivative. Next question. Advantages of Canny operators. Option A. Simplicity of the method. Option B. None of the above. Option C. Performance is good using probability for finding error rate. Option D. All of the above. So answer option C is right answer. Advantage of Canny operator is performance is good and using probability for finding error rate. Next question. Gray label image segmentation is generally based on two properties. Option A. Discontinuity and similarity. Option B. Continuity and similarity. Option C. Only similarity. Option D. None of the above. Right answer is option A. Discontinuity and similarity. Next question. Edge-based segmentation algorithm is using option A. Discontinuity and similarity. Option B. Threshold value. Option C. None of the above. Option D. Edge linking and boundary. Right answer is option D. Edge linking and boundary. Next question. Question number 46. The thresholding operations is a gray value remapping operators defined by option A. G of B is equal to limit 0 if B is less than t and limit 1 if B is greater than equal to t. Second option is T of B is equal to 0 if B is equal to T and 1 if B is greater than T. Third is G of B is equal to limit 1 if B is greater than T and 0 if B is equal to T. And D option is none of the above. Okay, so here right answer is option A. G of B is equal to 0 if B is less than T and 1 if B is greater than equal to T. Okay, next question. Gray label thresholding is a generalization of option A. Edge detection, option B. Binary thresholding, option C. Both of the above, option D. None of the above. Right answer is option B. Binary thresholding. Next question. Region growing is a blank space image segmentation approach. Option A. Bottom up, option B. Top down, option C. All of the above, option D. None of the above. Right answer is option A. Bottom up. Next question. Example of edge detection method is option A. Neural network segmentation, option B. Graph partitioning methods, option C. Barter sheet transformation, option D. Multi-scale segmentation. Right answer is option C. Barter sheet transformation. Next question. Example of regions growing method is option A. Label set methods, option B. Graph partitioning methods, option C. Barter sheet transformation, option D. Neural network segmentation. Right answer is option D. Neural network segmentation. Okay guys, now let's wind up this lecture. See you in the unit 5 of image processing. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Wish you very all the best for your examination.